Minister M.K. Stalin, MP Kanimozhi and several state ministers paid floral tributes to the statue of freedom fighter Pasumpon Muthuramalinga Thevar. Officials stated that the leaders gathered to honor Thevar's legacy and contributions to India's independence and social justice. The tribute was a part of the annual commemorations that draw widespread public and political participation across the state. The dignitaries reportedly expressed their respect and admiration for Thevar's enduring influence on Tamil Nadu's socio-political landscape. The event underscored the government's commitment to preserving the memory of iconic leaders and promoting unity through cultural and historic remembrance.
Camera